Hey, welcome back to Melinda's Messy Sink. Today's video is a super fun game day collaboration. This video is hosted by Tiffany at Small Town 6. We've been asked to make game day food. I have a traditional recipe for you with a spin. So let's get started into my game day recipe. Hey guys, tonight for dinner we are having chicken wings. We're gonna add some salt and we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of baking soda, not baking powder, not cornstarch, baking soda. I do 2 tablespoons. I think the recipe may say 1, but I like this better. Maybe because I have a little bit more chicken than the original recipe calls for. All right, so I spread that out and then I put my lid on and then all I'm gonna do is give it a shake. You could do this in a bag if you wanted. I just feel like that when I do it in the bowl, it seems to get around better. This is not a coating like whenever you're frying fish or you're frying like chicken, like it doesn't have that kind of coating. I'm gonna bring this really close. I don't think you can see it, but it's just a real thin layer of the baking soda and the salt. These chicken wings have a 2-part cooking time. The first cooking time, you're going to cook it for like 200 degrees. And your chicken is not going to be done after the initial cooking time. Then all you're going to do is you're going to crank up your heat in the oven and then let them cook until they're crispy. So we'll go through it together. What you're going to do is you're just going to fill your pan up. I'm going to get this in the oven at 200 degrees. I will have my original chicken wing video as well as the recipe link that I found on Pinterest in the description box. We'll be back after about 30 minutes. Our initial cook time at 200 degrees, I think 200, 250, whatever's in the recipe, I'll make sure to correct that, for 30 minutes is done. I have cranked up my heat to 425. I'm going to let these go for about 45 to 50 minutes. Most of the time, I don't even take them out of the oven. I just adjust the temperature. I just wanted you to see what they kind of look like after that initial cook time. The one thing that I do want to stress is these are not done. They're not even crispy. They're just drawing the fat out of them so that they can crisp up. So we'll be back as soon as they're done. While our chicken wings are cooking, I wanted to come back and talk just a bit about Tiffany at Small Town 6. Tiffany's channel is a growing YouTube channel. She has a lot of great content that ranges from grocery hauls to cooking videos to healthy meals, all the way to cleaning and organizing. I will be sure to have Tiffany's channel listed below in the description box so that you can check out her channel if you're not already subscribed. In addition, in the description box, I have a playlist of several creators who have created game day food for you. So be sure to check out the playlist as well. I'll be back as soon as my chicken wings are ready. All right, our wings just came out of the oven. They look so good and they smell so good. I just need me a big old bowl of some ranch dressing. So today we're gonna do something new because I make these all the time and I love them. So half of them, we are going to add this Grill Mates sweet and smoky rub. That's what my husband wants to try on his. I am going to try this Chicka-Licka Bam Bam seasoning on my half. So I will be sure to let you know. This one's got a little bit of kick to it. And this one is obviously more sweet and smoky. You never would have guessed, I know. All right, so these literally just came out of the oven. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to sprinkle this seasoning on while I'm kind of letting them do their thing and set up a little bit. I'm gonna get these plated up and I'll be right back. All right, guys, good old chicken wings with some ranch dressing. Half are sweet and smoky. The other half are a little spicy with some chicka-licka bam bam. Boy, oh boy, those chicken wings are so good. The reason why I love that recipe is there's a little bit of a twist. Number one, they're baked, not fried. Number two, they're just as crispy as if they were already fried in grease. That baking soda is a game changer when it comes to wings. Not to mention the fact of how versatile they are, whether they can be dry rub, plain, with barbecue sauce on them, with buffalo sauce on them. It's a clean palette and you can make them what you want. Appreciate you guys so much for following along in today's video, and I hope that you have a fabulous game day and have tons of great food. Don't forget, Jesus loves you. I'll see you guys in the next one.